I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming hardware and opening the right control panel. First, make sure both monitors are powered and cables snug, then open Display Settings. Once done, locate the numbered monitor icons, 1 and 2, to identify which is currently primary. You need that visual to swap roles. If you're on Windows, go to System Display. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, Displays, and Arrangement. These steps set the stage, so you change assignments precisely and avoid accidental mirroring. Now you'll select the monitor you want as primary and assign it. Click the numbered icon that corresponds to the display you prefer. Then, on Windows, check Make this my main display. On Mac OS, drag the white menu bar to the desired screen in Arrangement. While you're here, adjust resolution, orientation, and scale so the sizes align. Once you apply changes, the taskbar and main menu move to the chosen monitor. Confirm visually, because that's how you know the swap succeeded. Finish by applying settings and testing. Open a window and move it between screens to ensure the primary moved. Make sure you selected Extend Desktop, not Duplicate, unless mirroring is desired. If a screen goes blank, reseat cables and power, then reboot. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date, because driver issues often block swaps. If you still see wrong labeling, disconnect one monitor briefly and reconnect so the OS redetects numbering. This resolves most mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.